Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SQL Server with Microsoft, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the SQL Server installation package from the official Microsoft website. Choose the version that best suits your needs, such as the Developer or Express Edition for learning or development purposes. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to launch the installer. Select the installation type that fits your requirements. For a new installation, choose New SQL Server Standalone Installation. You may be prompted to accept the license terms. Read through. The installation wizard will perform a system check to ensure your environment meets all requirements. If everything checks out, proceed to the Server Feature Selection page. Here, you can choose the SQL Server features you want to install. Common selections include the Database Engine Services and SQL Server Management Studio. After selecting your features, click Next to move to the Instance Configuration page. You can either choose a default instance or name a new one for your installation. Next, proceed to the Server Configuration page. Set the SQL Server services to start automatically. You can also configure the account under which SQL Server runs. Continue to the Database Engine configuration window. Choose the authentication mode that fits your security needs. For mixed mode, input and confirm a password for the SQL Server System Administrator account. You may also add other SQL Server administrators at this stage. Once completed, click Next to reach the Installation Progress page. Monitor the installation progress as SQL Server installs the selected features. When the process is complete, review the summary and any potential warnings. Finally, click Close to exit the installation wizard. To ensure everything is set up correctly, launch SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to your SQL Server instance using the credentials you set up earlier. Congratulations, the installation is complete, and you're ready to start using SQL Server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.